Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Tabitha Yon, the owner of Elegant Living. Come on here and tell me hello, where you're coming from. I'm so excited to have this little live with you guys today. We have been planning and doing all the things, not just Christmas, but we've been planning for 2025 and we are ecstatic. We have some wonderful things that are planned out for the next year. Now, come on in here and tell me where you're coming from. Make sure you guys like, share, and comment for a chance to win prizes. Okay, let's talk about that while we're at it. Okay, we're going to have lots of different prizes and lots of different things. We're going to try to do different prizes and giveaways all year long. So, tell me below, what is your favorite giveaway that we did this year? So I can kind of get that on a mental note so that we can kind of take different things. I need your guys' help with some different things with that. We're going to be giving away lots of different things. We always gave a $50 gift card at the end of the month, at the last Friday of every single month, with the person that liked, shared, and comment. The wonderful thing about Facebook is it tells us who's interacting with us the most. Isn't that awesome? I really honestly think that's an awesome thing that Facebook does. Not only do they show you your past things that you've done in the whole year, which I love. I absolutely love that. That's why I like to put all of our pictures on here and all the past things. Like, you know, Alexis's engagement to Matthew. It is going to be awesome because I'm going to be able to see that every single year when it comes up. So let me know what you guys are looking forward to in the next year. Also, another thing that I wanted to talk about is all the different giveaways that we have done, and we're going to continue those, but we're going to amp that up a little bit. We're going to give away some of our scent boxes and things like that, so we're super excited. Anyhow, all the different things that we have going on, we're so excited for you guys to be here on this platform. We cannot thank you enough for all your support, your love, and your guidance, and all the things for 2024. Now, as we're going into the new year, we want to make sure that we give you all the information that you guys want, all the, honestly, not just information, it's all the inspiration, the guidance on your homes, and things like that. So, my next question to you is, do you guys really love all the guidance? What do you guys love most? Do you love seeing what Jason's doing? Do you love seeing all the different updates as far as what houses are doing? Like today, I just posted a kitchen that has black cabinets and gold hardware. If you haven't seen that, go back down there and see that. Because it's honestly, we try to inspire you, encourage you to do all the things. We have the Elegant Community and things like that to help you, guide you along, which in the Elegant Community, we cannot wait. We're going to be having a, this next month. Can I tell them? I think I can tell them. Lexi's not down here with me, but in the Elegant Community coming up, we're going to have a challenge, a workshop challenge with organization, you know, decluttering your houses and getting it ready to update it. Because if you're like me, I'm ready to do some things in this house. And it's actually, we had, over the last couple of weeks, we had cabinetry delivered for our bathroom, which I'm so excited to show you guys. So this is my personal home, my personal things that we're gonna do into our house to update it this year. So cabinetry was delivered and it's sitting in my garage, and so all the things. So when you guys get on here, I really do want to ask you, what more do you wanna see of this year? Do you want more workshops, which you guys all love the workshops? Do you want more workshops? Do you wanna see more of Jason? Do you want more encouragement? Workshops as far as like what to do in your houses, how to decorate your houses, all the things, because you guys absolutely loved all the things that we went through. Now, next thing, we're going to get to our winter workshop. We've already planned that because we know that you guys love those. So in our winter workshop, I'm going to tell you, do you guys know how to decorate for winter? I know if you're like me, I still have my Christmas up. Sorry, we're still having another Christmas today at my mother-in-law's. So Christmas for us is not completely done.
At the house doorbell.
Sorry, guys. That was kind of odd. She tells us when somebody's at the door, and it's Sophie. She's wanting in now. But, I know, this is a whole lot of information. The winter workshop, we're so excited to do. If you're like me, you still have your Christmas up. And I honestly leave mine up until after the new year. And then I'm ready to do it. So I'm ready to purge and get all the things out of my house and a refresh, which I'm definitely doing this year. I'm putting new carpet in. We're going to paint the whole entire house. And if you want more of that information, get in the Elegant Community, because that's really where we're going to be. Well, you'll see some of it on here, but you're not going to dive deep into why we picked the choices that we did and doing all the things. So the winter workshop is getting back to that. is all for you guys knowing what to do after Christmas. If you're like me, you're like, what do you do after Christmas? And the house seems very bare, and it seems like, what do you do to make your house warm and cozy for winter? So we're going to have a winter workshop showing you what to do in your home after you take down the Christmas tree. And what do you do to keep it going until spring? Because if you're like me, you're not ready for spring right now. I mean, we haven't even actually hit winter quite yet. So lots of people are asking, what do we do? So we are going to start showing you different things that you can do in there, but the winter workshop is going to show you how to incorporate it into your house. So if you're new here, we're going to show you when we do this, we are going to take 3 days. And then the 3 days, we take those allotted days and we show you how to incorporate a season into your house, which is so, so important. Because a lot of you guys want it to look like your Pinterest and your Instagram. Sorry guys, it just keeps going off. I don't know what's going on with that. But if you're like anybody, you guys are scrolling, you're trying to figure out what you want to do next, then you definitely want to come to this winter workshop. It is. Okay, so when is the winter workshop? I know that you guys are going to be asking that. It is January 7th, 8th, and 9th. Okay, so January 7th, we're going to be talking about dining room tables, because if you can kind of see mine right here, you're going to be taking all that stuff down and you're not knowing what to put up there. So we're going to tell you how to decorate for winter during that time on your dining room table, which is what everybody needs. We tried to pick the 3 different places that everybody needs to know how to decorate after Christmas, and one was the dining room table. On the 8th, we're going to talk about mantles. Now, a lot of you guys are going to say, okay, maybe I don't have a mantle, but you can also put this on your buffet, okay? So this is a buffet mantle. So we're going to show you how to decorate that on the 8th. And then the 9th, we're going to show you how to incorporate all your trays, your beautiful trays that you put on in your kitchen, on your islands, in your living rooms, all those different things. We're going to show you how to decorate those for winter. So I cannot wait. So right before you start putting up all of your Christmas, we're going to tell you what to keep out. Like, one thing that I can tell you right off, I always leave my snowflakes out. So if you're putting all your Christmas up, make sure that you don't put all your things up, like your little trees that are flocked and things like that, because it is so important, because we're going to be decorating with them and you don't want to have to put them up to get them right back out for winter. So anything that feels winter themed, you're going to want to leave those out so that we can decorate that the 7th, 8th, and 9th of January together. We're going to be doing that together, which I absolutely love doing that. It's so much fun. Everybody gets to come in here. We get to decorate together. You guys show me what you guys are incorporating in your house, and we show you how to do it. It's just a great time. And we also show you where to buy the products and different things. And if you haven't noticed, if you guys aren't shoppers after Christmas, everything is 70% off, 80% off. So this is a great time to also talk about inventory on your Christmas stuff. If you're like me, this year I kind of have been purging all the things that look like they need to be freshened up. And this is an amazing time to buy a Christmas tree, to buy some garlands and things like that, because you can get them 70 to 80% off. So we're going to be talking about that also as well. So make sure you share, like, and comment with this. And you share with friends and family, because they're going to want to see all this too. And the more that we see, the more we share this, the more you guys will see of our posts. So, who doesn't want to see more of this, right? Okay, guys. Don't be putting all your Christmas up though. If it feels wintry, keep it out. Definitely keep it out. Like I said, snowflakes is one of the things that I think about. Anything that's snow flocked or, that just feels winter, like if you look outside and you see it in the winter, you're going to want to keep that. Now, anything that's red, even though I'm wearing red because I have a Christmas that we're going to this afternoon, anything that's red, you really want to make sure that you put that up. That's something that you can put away for next Christmas. And I always like to do a little inventory when I'm putting my things up too. So if you think, okay, gosh, I need a new Christmas tree for my living room, definitely go look for that now, because you're going to get some good deals. Okay, guys, so our winter workshop is going to be talking about all the pretty things that you need out for winter versus Christmas, okay? So that's the difference of those. That's going to be the 7th, 8th, and 9th. Mark your calendars, and it's going to be right on this main page here. We did our Christmas workshop on the main page, and it was a huge hit. You guys loved it. You shared it. You guys were coming. I mean, you guys just really did awesome. So we want to thank you for that. We're going to do a winter one. And I don't know if I'm supposed to tell you this, but in February, dun, 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 we also have a really special thing that we're going to do in February as well. So stay tuned, stay on here, let us know what you guys are doing, and be excited for the new year because we have lots of awesome things coming. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.